NPP presidential aspirant for Canada Japan. Say me friend Canada Japan me can no no man ye me do. Because me hwe ne kasa ye na bra boni subane ne ye ne ade a eya na me describe as honorable ya na ye me din. Na baba be describe Canada Japan say Ghana president. Hey ye rade. Ene ka Ghana ma do beto mo ho de. Ashanti region a NPP stronghold 8 years. Omuchira hospital, monumental project hospital ba ko pe. Ya wo mutimi si ya Ashanti region. Ebi ni ho. Agenda 111 na omu penti animu no a, oma penti OPD, ward be yi bi na wo matwa ya wie. Ebi ni Ashanti region NPP entimi boast of one monumental project e wo stronghold whole region Ashanti region, but NDC ebetimi a boast project akese ebetimi the epic point say after military hospital 500 bed capacity and by 2017 nanka ye wie ni e bia no we 37 military hospital nanka ferry to aso se wo 250 bed capacity nanka aboa ama pressure ni tension ejira konfa no che no was stronghold e take on him power tufo ene ka ya se oye ma chime dase o stress sika e dia ko renovated government hospital kasia ba ko a serving more than 5 regions. Ya referral konfanochi G ene ekono e wonu mu deteriorate ya tete pansam ya sey ya ma ho bon e ma kire se otumfo se wo wia ne ho anajo kohwe wonu ma na ho ye ne tan eti na o pagana fo achew na NPP aban ne wo so NPP stronghold na enye MPs ani wo obetie member of parliament akodonati 10,000 member of parliament minister na enye NPP ani wo na ka otumfo kora yi ni ti se o ko renovate Ashanti region your friend say konfa no ache no e ho na ka ban na kona na ye beye but obi a hunu nyansa say a day will come and you people be find the X. And to confirm government hospital, ya kwani akosiesie. Confirm not ya adwuma sika na de kogu manhia. Ya de komanhia mfie, ya de kogu o man ni futuo mu. O man ni futuo mu na de kogu. Kokumewu adami nam kwan so no hu hospital President Muhammad si ya kumewu no me say President Muhammad so hu ohu kumewu no abesi hospital de ante se ne yede en serve afijase dade asenom yokonom sa area no en serve wo mu nyina because afijase no twe ne ekoji x no enye 1+1 enye 2+2 ye electoral commission chairperson Jemensa 1+1 obey ni 10 and declare presidential resource a fake and accurate and no X no a project infrastructure and when you define the X but side development no side infrastructure no NPP 8 years elake e bi ni ho kokuma sine kware central market redevelopment project first phase stores wo me say about 7,000 President Muhammad see ya one the regional minister when he came a mayor omu see ya no NPP buy no omu be chama wo mu mpenafo no wo mu yirenom wo babusuafo no regional minister chairman wuntumi nom ene NPP fo mu gukumase omu be che sa market no central market first phase no omu mpenafo no wo mu yirenom ne wo babusuafo no be che no de ma wo family and friends for girlfriends come so and it say chase ne girlfriend no okay so eno no ex no phase 2 no esi one mo 8 years ni NPP ent me anya phase 2 anwie.
All right, so we see more akaba be on from Braga and Sem TV so edi am just so any promise the blogger won sa abaya we a wo hwe ne video yi oye adwuma e wo nua TV na wa wo nua TV nyansa ni bia eni ho e wo mu say in Japan me supporting no I'm fan but we party ni now I can say that's the reason why I'm about to respond to this useless girl. I can say in the Ashanti region the people cannot boost of one hospital in bar here. This tells you that this lady is sick in the head. Only in the Ashanti region we built 10 hospitals that I don't know are completed. Aside I know 20 of them is under construction. Now, Swami, Trade Manson Kanta, Sabronum, Trade. Okay, that is 5. Agenda 111, Koko Kobia, Ibuho. Okay, Oko, what's the name of this place? Oh, Faudine Bra. Oh, Charlie. Mama said Mama was 7, right? The rest of the 3, I'm catch you. Then aside that, I did the 111, no, so no, the only CV, you know. Any project I ever twice, so the among we are better to be we, Depa, Bequai, almost at the champion time before the baby, okay? Kumewu Hospital, Kufone starting a baby. See, I don't want to mention projects in the Ashanti region. Or saying to me, in Bustu of Kwasia now, prepare the first international airport, no, Unyai Bemini see or Unyai saw me in the sea. I'm asking you. Oko Ashanti region, schools I see here. But some 3 girls STEM senior high, between STEM senior high, the advanced STEM senior high. Asante region, Akwanya ye, Obuase Kwine, Tanoso Kwine, Swami Kwine, Bantima Kwine, Che, Mema Bumfu. Akumadan University of Local Government. Akumadan University of Local Government. Charlie, a judges 4 dying, judges complex, Asante region. And where Charlie, we Jimmy for papa, or darling now, too. You can make it you, me because the only thing that may bomb. So me up a house no, that may mount list of projects from schools, acquiring hospitals, offices, new Charlie. I can give you more than 150 projects in the Ashanti region. And more as 2 thefts. And Kwasia Shekumasi, a market central market, phase 2. If you like baby way build them, you know be we because we know the mind you people who Jimmy bro. We Jimmy for I was a lady now with Saudi on. I think Captain Sate Jimmy, my boss on your TV the end and with Jimmy. Everybody in that TV station, radio station, with Jimmy, we are more. I'm telling you, that is fact. You people are fools. I'm telling you. Because if not that, how can a TV presenter who to make us say we should mention one hospital, which means you are useless because in this alternate radio station out so what Jimmy? I'm telling you, if up to now you are still arguing about NPP building hospital in the Ashanti region for the past 8 years, saying to me mention one, then it seems that what Jimmy? I'm telling you, that is fact. I don't know the person of family now what you I was at TV station, but I'm going to say on your TV on the top, a person of on my end, you show you more you say because as a journalist now, when I was say, count me quite facts about one thing. We are Kwasia papa. And this lady calls herself a TV presenter, a journalist, misleading and misinforming the public as of 2025. Our phone now check it. Hospitals built by another down for the Ashanti region. Go crabby yamau. And it still talk as if you don't have this information because what? Because we are NDC affiliated TV station. Why are you guys fools like that? I don't know what Jimmy sir. You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid. Foolish girl like you. I'm giving you warning. Don't try that useless thing again. Else, the insult that will come your way wouldn't like it. It's Jimmy fool.